One bright morning, the cheerful A train chugged along the tracks, ready for an exciting journey. At the front of the train sat a shiny red apple, smiling as it enjoyed the fresh breeze. Suddenly, a tiny ant wearing a little red hat climbed up to the top of the train. "Hello, Apple," the ant squeaked. "Where is the A train going today?" "We're off to Alphabet Land," Apple replied. "Would you like to join me?" "Oh, yes," the ant cheered, hopping onto the train. With a big choo-choo, swing, the A train whistled and began its journey. It passed an airplane flying high, an alligator waving from the river, and an acrobat flipping in the air. As they reached Alphabet Land, the ant and Apple laughed with joy. "What an amazing adventure," they said together. And so, the A train continued its journey, bringing more alphabet fun to everyone it met.